Although internationally known for groundbreaking work of resolving the cruel and barbaric practice of dancing bears from the streets of India while creating alternative livelihoods for the nomadic communities that depended on the exploitation of the bears, WSOS is also known for their efforts at rescue and rehabilitation of sloth bears and more recently elephants. Wildlife SOS also runs active projects focused on mitigation of human-wildlife conflict with regard to species like leopards, macaques, elephants, moon bears, snakes, and other animals across several states in India. In addition, their work includes projects targeted at biodiversity and habitat conservation, awareness workshops and anti-poaching operations, as well as the rehabilitation of communities dependent on performing or working animals for their livelihood. Wildlife SOS was founded in 1995 by Karthik Satyanarayan and Geeta Seshmani with the motive of protecting and preserving India's natural heritage, forests, and wildlife. Initially dedicated to resolving the centuries-old practice of dancing bears, the organization now runs several projects across the country focused on rescuing wildlife in distress, mitigating human-animal conflict, habitat restoration, raising awareness, training enforcement officers, conducting scientific research and conservation studies, combating illegal wildlife trade and trafficking, and rehabilitating wildlife-dependent communities. The organization is undertaking several conservation projects: Dancing Bear Project, Elephant Conservation and Care, Leopard Conservation, Tribal Rehabilitation Program, Human-Bear Conflict Mitigation, Human-Wildlife Conflict Mitigation, Anti-Poaching, Human-Elephant Conflict Mitigation, Habitat Conservation, Research and Conservation, and Training and Awareness. Wildlife SOS takes a comprehensive approach to saving India's wildlife. Wildlife SOS works towards empowering local communities like the Kalandar community, used to dancing bearmen.